Hello, my name's Dutch Hedrick, and I'm here to give a little tour of Rube's Good Brain Coffee's roasting room. And we are located in Kittrell, North Carolina, and we do our roasting in the back of the Thomas H. Crudup home. In the back of the home, we go through the store, and if you were to continue, you would see this staircase, which goes a long ways down, as you can see. But we're not going to go down there. See that little window? That's where we're going. Take a left, go through the store, and here we are. This was the sunroom, and we have converted it to be our roasting room. It's Christmas time, so we are getting ready for Christmas, as you can see. And this is the chair in which I do all of my roasting. On this is the ILEO Bullet R1 roaster. It's 1K, so it's a nice little roaster which does quite a bit of coffee. It's the biggest capacity I could find for the price. Not only that, it has a lot of nice features on it, such as it's got this trier. That's for sampling your coffee, seeing how it looks, how it smells. And I used to roast for a couple of different companies, first at Counterculture Coffee, then at Joe Van Gogh, both of them in North Carolina. And I've been roasting for about 15 years. So I was really happy with the ILEO. A few years ago, a roaster like this wouldn't be available because they just weren't around. It's an induction heater, so it uses magnetic electricity to roast the coffee, which is really nice. It's a lot more efficient than gas. Alright, let's take a look at the rest of the roasting room here. Alright, you can see this is my desk, which is where I label bags and I seal bags. And you can see the window through which we could see the light at the beginning of the video. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at the roaster. A little closer look. To get started, all we have to do is plug it in. And there we go.
The bullet is now ready.
Alright, now we're ready to go. All we have to do is push this button and we go into the preheat mode.
Preheating.
Okay, and once it gets up to temperature, we're all ready to start our roasting. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you guys for now. Just a little introduction. If you want, you can go over to our Facebook page, like us there, and you can also order any coffees which you want to order from us.